sports minister say inching close. I think say the framework of the legislation
okay,
and say ye enforcing a manaba be adia yen dibia na ba be problem. So I think say minister ka say bia the sports fund no inching closer. On can say be Canada honum. But ye eba be creative football ye be backing with whatever we need to do in terms of law. And ya share framework ni mudine. Send be okay, because okay, you betting tax nya then kakra be call sports fund mu. Then after that, you bet me is can be area honum area boy sports no bra. Rich, the truth of the matter is that sports fund no, a long overdue. Now a idea very, very important, especially in terms of say a person develop a sport, investment in sports, in terms of know-how. Any addition we develop a sports, infrastructure. Sanya money, a whole basic car sports about for Edia Bon Hobra. Very, very important. It is a sports minister say a inch closer. A good news. And it tells me say me who say a framework no ye ba strengthen. Now you're making sure say now the policy now will take shape fully. At the end of the day, now fear okay. You be iska kakra free ha, you be iska kakra free ha na sports fund no. Then you decide Canada sport their boss sports home right. A good news that is coming from the sports minister. But like you said, at the end of the day, no, you're tin be brave. Yeah, sports fund. Say nyame aduna say timinya sports fund because rich. Social people say get funder. Get fund is very important in education. Very, very important in education. In fact, say ne. Yeah, athletes be yes, mo kwa broche mu nyeska crampon timi fan fly. The sports fund will take care of them. Say ye per sports athletes be our ko prempe oni board oni America too, but the scholarship be onya US no just 30%. But on many person obuane dia e betime sports fund no sika nimu foto dia boano then say nipa no we put him on a plan and they be obetum nika dia ma Ghana. So this person himself all allegiance to Ghana. Which you see, one thing like diplomacy in our part of the world, say, we don't know how to monetize things. Like, which at the end of the day, anywhere in the world, we be a bread and butter. Yeah. I mean, no me yet. If it wasn't bread and butter, we be here. A bread and butter. It can't just be for patriotism. No, I can't say now. There be.
No,
yeah, nobody exactly.
I go to school in US.
Exactly.
We are some to come out.
What? Upon class or San Cuba. Because if you fortune, into a Cuba manone, or could clean us when like a credit. Even your fans or paper cross over to me, can OGD so benya rest and agina whom year the between Canada Madalama. On to me. So the sports fund is very important. It's a pampas a framework in the Asian Mukina. Na yenya the Sicano edibe to fotonim na dachi bi ye pesca and ya feni ebe presidency na feni ekoba president chow and ya feni okay na compete with sika eco education ya de ya then we have to do it.
Okay breme na
mamenka kakrev
inkomra
for omo mutie no bi wo ho ana on sada ntem komo na ye dinase obebusa se na sports fund cry no so ye den sports fund no eye foto a emra etai echiri na eye foto a aban ebepe kwan a odi sika ebugu sa foto nim na sika edi begu sa foto nim no ye de abo sports ho bra simple ntini twi mu nchechi mu anam de ama se ye be hemra na emra no ebebo foto edi ama Ghana na sa foto no ya pakwan a ye be fa so a ye di sika ebegu sa foto nim na sa sika na edi gu sa foto nim die ye se eye sports ho bra nko anti ena ya bo sa foto example ena FIIFI de maye no the late Atamil's time ena ye bo foto ezo to ho a emrata akire na ye se sika ye be to sa foto ye mu die ye de ko education nko a eno ne ye get fund no enti sa get fund no efisi e bo sa foto no eto ho no sika bia ba sa fund mu bia no ye de ko education enti wa wutie ye wo de shawon potem ho from Atamil's time by 2001 ebesi ne a lot of schools are SCC a lot of libraries who was sponsored by Get Fund ebia na akwa to community yes you wanya scholarship ekwa abochi so kosua de yenya sika ne we ya na de sponsor na yes we get fund sika and ye de koye since you establish a get fund for education you know you massive investment in education e sa foto ni bi and na yen mu bi sa ne di anu atum a say omumpe bi enfa mass sports na se ne wutie honorable Kofi Adams no yemfa ya no ene mpaebɔ nko a entai sports fo achi o munko ebeye o ayebɔ mpae ma mo se mo kɔ mo di bibi beba na mmom ni yebenya foto a yebetinya kofe sika film na ye dia boss sports ho bra. That is the explanation. Now Rich asema honorable Kofi Adams aka no me ayala metiye se magye dia agise adenaba and mami ma odi ntia me kasa so what a platform no so a me the story bi ato so and the story was May 2017 Rich that time no na MPP ababa mfra na tema na MPP wo opposition no 2016 and the kind sports act I dey adwuma e wo mra ya so I dey boy sports ho bra no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the first presidency na odi here no o sign so sports act no afi magia to mu be she MPP for in opposition say emra na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama edi ne sasase no Rich almost too close kase dem ene say omemu ha ye sports no ye problem kase e ye sikasam and sa act no na address sa issue no enti in their campaign ya any po no bu kojo baadi my ka ho Madam Fida Pempe ka ho honorable Esiama ka ho yes
solid gina pa
omo di omo say omo manifesto nyane say omo ba omo be sports fan no dia maye to reach you voted MPP into power May 2017 13 member technical committee inaugurated for sports fund Rich only members no Dr. K.K. Sapo, Dr. Baniako, Magnus Resdankwa, painful.
I'm going to be
and you painful. Rich 2017.
I'm grand to be
you know, great side. Unim, great no. Oh, how now you see a man answer the deputy never oh, now sports fund questions. Oh, I would so young word. Emu wana na honorable Esiama koye other ministers so mobile in a rich yebuso mo almost say politician bro it is in the pipeline na rich omo mu inaugurate even framework members impo afa de na ma honorable Kofi Adams we've not seen any visible committee bi ana say yetuwa ye by word of mouth essay ade no ye inchi closer rich me ye de na me de me hoto so I am not doubting him say ma.
Yeah, I know that one.
But Rich, Mami Kasa say if honorable Kofi Adams at time Otimi pushi MA the sports fund the bar, it will be the biggest legacy our beja. Ochina, we will discuss the streams of Sika Yebet Media Gu the sports fund name. Rich and yet didn't create it. And yet didn't at all. Obeka so education the esombo. And until I say, oh, Koto supermarket. Now to see, I told 3% air get fund more. Obia Buba Joso. But sports the and also no, yeah, they taxi, goods and commodities are now as a diabe. Look, or Chilean to was any this and Kumoya. Which I will even go as far as telling you, say, oh, say a tom player organ how rich. So percentage na eba F4 no. Emu percentage no mo de ban gakan. Oh, Zadia. I was so mujai. Near the got to get fun. Yeah, the got to sports fund.
Okay.
Some percentage of player transfer money is now. Yeah, they man gakan. Rich. As a matter of agency, honorable Kofi Adams. Catching almost say. Sports fund na yede ba. Yes, streams of Sikaba and even 2 for 20 minutes. One of them should be player transfer Sikaba. Any percentage na FNN. Omo boni hu bi ne fan to fan nim if you say sports fund ne ba na say GFA ni omo clubs any general football every assess fund na and for so e betimi anya to recoup sika na yede ase omumu no and say yede mamu na won team clubs entity players samuto omo a certain percentage must come back into the fund say na be betimi dia resource mo biem am yede nti if you check on rich you be this am common say na be ya you raise awareness of baby e be scan free na yede IS adwumadi ni tire tire o na e be nyanto ba sepa there were a lot of nyoma make ye be hu baby scan be free ba yede be to staff to
ye tena say na ya ye be this am common na chefo mo ma ntwa no mra na ento aso
Amuzu garlic bitters ma moja di afru sani ye blood pressure